Hi guys, today I will tell you how to create a blog. So first we open on the Google Chrome. Then go to the WordPress.com. It takes few seconds and log in with an email account. So continue with Google. I create a Gmail account. I log in here. Okay, successfully log in. This is my account. See? Okay, and this option is here to write a post. Click here. Okay, so it is a title of the blog. So our title is input and output devices. Okay, input and output devices, and start typing or start writing or type to choose a blog. कोई ब्लॉग चूज कर सकते हैं यहाँ से हम पेज ब्रेक करने के लिए, कोई पैराग्राफ या फिर इमेज. तो सबसे पहले हम एक इमेज अपलोड करते हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, सेलेक्ट द इमेज फ्रॉम हेयर, फ्रॉम द लोकेशन. ओके, द इमेज इज shown here. Okay, you can write a caption here. Input and output devices. Okay, your image is here. Now you can upload text about input and output devices. Go to the area and select the paragraph in which you can type here. So these are the platform image with group, but I need a simple. Okay, so we take this content. Okay, now we type here something about input devices. So I already type in about input devices, so we copy it, Control C copy, and go to the browser and paste here input and output devices. Select and click bold to highlight this text. So this text is highlighted. Select and center of alignment left text. Now about output devices, paragraph, media text. Again I copy here, copy the text from notepad about output devices. Okay, select and bold it, output devices. Okay, all done. Here you can upload any image related to input and output devices. So we save any image, input devices, image, take anything, simply input devices. This is good for input devices. Speed is not so good. Okay, save this image. Input, and for output devices, go to the output devices. Okay, now upload input devices, image, devices. The size of the content, and for output devices, image is uploaded now. It takes few seconds time. Okay, so the input and output devices are ready. We can see the preview. Oh sorry, this is the website. I already created a website for this. So visit site, we can see here